Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Alex. I'm here to talk to you today about permissions in your Google Sites and how you can let people see your files. Let's get started. All right, let's jump right in. I'm going to be using SiWoo's portfolio. I hope he doesn't mind. Let's solve the problem for him together. So a lot of you kids are having this issue here where it says you need permission. So this issue is something when your teacher or other students are trying to look at it. Many kids by default have their portfolio set to only they themselves can view these documents. So remember, when you put a document inside your portfolio, you have to also go into the document and make it public. So let's do that now. To solve SiWoo's problem, he needs to go into a document and click on Share. Down in the corner, there's a button that says Advanced. Go ahead and click that. Now it says Who has access? See this option here? Let's click Change. Now there are all these great options here. Let's see if I can zoom in and make them a little bit bigger for you to see. So right now I have my document set to On, Anyone at American International School. That's the one that you want. Sometimes by default, you might have it set to off. That means nobody else can see it, including your teacher who's trying to, give you some feedback about your work. So make sure that you set it to this, On, Anyone at AIS, and click Save. And done. All right, now you're ready to go back to your portfolio and then insert the document. If you've already put it inside of your website, you can just click refresh and then it should now be available for everybody to see. So since we're just starting our portfolios, why don't you go ahead and go through all of your website's documents and make sure they're all set to On, Anyone at AIS. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.